Are you ready to take your college football 25 experience to the next level by creating Travis Hunter? In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to bring this electrifying pair to life in your game. Let's dive in. Step 1. Player Attributes. Start by setting Travis Hunter's key attributes. He is known for his versatility as both a wide receiver and cornerback. Here's how to break it down. Speed. Set his speed rating high, around 95, to reflect his explosive playmaking ability. Agility. A score of 92 will showcase his quick cuts and ability to evade defenders. Catching. For his wide receiver skill, aim for a catching rating of at least 90. Tackling. As a cornerback, tackling a score of 85 will highlight his defensive pros. Step 3. Appearance customization. Make sure Travis Hunter looks the part. Height and weight. Set him at 6 feet 1 and around 185 lbs. Equipment. Choose a sleek helmet, gloves and cleats that match his style on the field. Don't forget the Colorado Buffaloes colors. Step 4. Team Dynamics. To maximize Hunter's impact, place him in a team setup that mirrors Colorado's offensive and defensive strategies. Offensive role. Position him as a starting wide receiver and play designed for quick passes and deep routes. Defensive role. Use him as a cornerback in critical situations, allowing him to showcase his dual threats capability. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create Travis Hunter in College Football 25. Experience the thrill of playing off with one of college football's most exciting talents. Whether you are throwing touchdown or making game-changing interception, he will be a game changer on your team. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. Now get out there and dominate the field.